What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your broken window, the window that won't stay up, by replacing your sash balance. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe. I do a lot of these household and automotive projects. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we all have that one window that's hanging crooked, or we have it propped up with a stick. The first thing we are going to do is we're going to push the window down. And then there's these little clips on the side. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver and you're going to clip these out. One on each side. There we go. Now with those clips undone, we can go ahead and lift our window up all the way to the top. Slide it over to one side. Then we should be able to pull out the whole window. Set that aside. Now here's what's called the sash balance, and the clip held it in place so we're able to take the window out. And here's the one on the right side that I suspected was broken, and if we look at it, the string which wraps around here that allows the spring to work is broken, which happens because it's pretty old. So if you look here on your old sash balance, on the side there should be some numbers, and that's the part number if you want to go ahead and order this. Or you can just go ahead and take this to your local window shop and they should be able to match you up with a new one. It is recommended that you replace both so that the spring tension will be matching on both. But let's go ahead and put this new one back in. So you're going to want to take note on how each one is installed, the orientation. This part goes at the bottom, and the string part right here, that goes at the bottom. Alright, so to put it in, we're going to put this hook on the end of the string. It's going to go in this top notch right here. If you're unsure of which notch it goes in, you can take this old one out just by pulling it down. The end of that clip goes into that square hole. Alright, so the end of the hook goes into that square hole. Then you're going to grab the top. Now it's going to be under a lot of tension. It's pulling that spring down. So you're going to pull it all the way down until it goes below that clip, and then the clip will hold it in. Alright, so now that one's matching that one. Now we can take the window, put it up at the top, slide it into one side, and then slide it into the other side, and then drop it down slowly. We'll push it down all the way. Then we can come over here and push these clips in on each side. That should be it. Now we can test it. Presto fixo, and that's it, guys. That's how to change your sash balance and fix your sagging broken window. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new, subscribe and check out my other videos. I'd really appreciate it. Click the bell too so you can get all my new ones. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.